OmiSonic is a wireless, ultrasonic washing machine that fits in your pocket and comes with portable paper soap. Controlled from your smartphone, the gizmo gets rid of 99.9% of germs. You simply place the pod-like device into a sink, bowl or bucket of water along with the items you would like to wash. This could be anything from clothes, jewelry to even food items, up to 2 kilograms in weight. The accompanying smartphone app comes with specific settings for each type of item and will let you know how much paper soap to add. Hit go and wait for your phone to let you know when everything is squeaky clean. OmiSonic cleans on a microscopic level thanks to its powerful sonic motor. It works by sending out vibrations that create thousands of powerful, tiny bubbles that agitate stains, dirt and germs. This type of technology is sometimes used in chemistry laboratories, but on a larger scale. The gizmo sounds like it could be very useful for campers, backpackers, business travelers and those who are often away from home. A single charge will last up to 4 washes, so there's no need for an electrical outlet. Plus it uses 15x less water and 40x less energy than a standard washer. Simply pour enough water to submerge whatever you are washing and let OmiSonic do the rest.